Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron Sportback S-Line 45. Now this particular example is finished in the fantastic Pebble grey paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that standout appearance. Now as I look towards the key features in with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling such as the front bumper, rear bumper and the side profile. As well as this, you do get the chrome accents such as that rear diffuser, as well as the window surrounds and the designated badging. Moving on then to the exterior key features, where we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these fantastic 20-inch 5 wide-spoke design alloys finished in the graphite grey, and they do really stand out against the Pebble grey paintwork. Looking above now, we do find the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, so as creating a lovely black and grey contrast. Now as we look into the rear boot space of the e-tron, where we do find up to 520 litres of boot capacity. It's a large amount for an electric vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional bags, and the boot floor is also adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, where there is also a smaller climate control with rear ventilation. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and futuristic cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather and aluminium. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean there are S-Line trims inside, such as the front seats which are of a sporty design, do feature the white stitching as well as the S logos. Above now we find a virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. Then when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can change the view of this virtual display to housing navigation or the telephone connectivity. Now looking towards the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does also feature the satellite navigation and does allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.